welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cutout effect in Canva. So let's begin. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my width of 500. Like you can keep any digit like even 1800 whatever etc. And I'm going to just change it to inches and create your design. Now I'm just going to drop this image that I have saved over here of a pineapple. Okay, now I'm going to do is I'm going to change its name of this page to Canva 38. I'm going to go in my elements panel. But before that, I'm going to duplicate it. And I want to align them as they are equal to each other. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to crop it from here like this. And I'm going to crop this from here like this. Okay, now I'm just going to align it towards its top over here. Okay. Now I'm going to go in my elements and I'm going to type in here circle. I'm going to go in my sheets and I'm going to take this first one right here. Let me just zoom in a little bit for more precise, right? Like this. Okay. Now I'm going to align it to each corner perfectly. Like this. Okay. I'm just going to scroll down. And I'm going to drop the same over here like this. I'm going to change the color to somewhat like a bright yellow, like the color which we, like it's actually inside the pineapple. And let me just find a suitable color for it. I think this color is perfect. Now I'm gonna search away for a shadow and like go in your graphics. Okay. I'm gonna take this one right here and I'm gonna align it so as if it was the whole thing. Like I'm gonna align it like this so that it creates the effect that something is hovering on it. And I'm gonna create another duplicate and make it a little smaller. Okay, like this. And I'm gonna select these two and drop them over here. Like this. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go and search over here for a yellow splash. And let me think of anyone over here. Okay, so I have like rewinded forward. So I have chosen this one and its title is okay, it's untitled. Never mind, but I have chosen this one over again. For this you have to search for just splash. Like simple splash, and if you wanna scroll down, you can find a related to it like that and you change its color as well. I'm gonna make another duplicate to make it more like visible and more vibrant. Okay. I'm gonna move it towards the back. Okay, now we need to search for shadow. For some extra effects, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna quickly just like align it towards the bottom like this. And then you can duplicate it to make it more rough. So I hope you love this video. Now like, share, and subscribe, and don't share to your friends. Bye bye.